So hello guys, welcome back towards our YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be making you clear that there was a Supreme Court judgment on IIT Dhanbad. So for the Dalit student that was unable to pay his fees, but still he can get his admission scored at the IIT. The Supreme Court directs the IIT that we cannot leave such a talented guy for just having not paying the fees, because students do not have any reason for his cancellation of the seat. So now the Dalit student has get its seat. So what is the whole scene? We will be clearing in this video. So watch this video till end. Before starting, click on the subscribe button and select all, so that all the recent update regarding IITs, because lot of our viewers are wanna to get updated for the exam of the IIT, JEE or even NEET. So let us move towards our update. So when the date goes to the 30 September, the top newsletters of India or even the foreign countries are filled with this Supreme Court order at IIT Delhi to admit the Dalit student. So these are the top like NDTV, Hindustan Times, Live Law, Indian Express. So these are the big news whole scenario that we will be discussing in this video, like the wire, the Hindu, or this is the Times of India's. Now let us discuss what the whole scenario, why the Dalit student was unable to pay his fees. So and now he has getted admission in the IIT Dhanbad. So I want you to support this video by just sharing this video to your friend circle and like this video, so that we will be getting the regular motivation for making such a revolutionary video that will be making change in the student life. So let us start from here. The Supreme Court on Monday, September 30, directed that the Dalit student who lost his admission to the Indian Institute of Technology IIT because he was late in paying online admission fees by few minutes. So there was a rule that for the admission you have to pay the fees of 17,500. So why this is 17,500? Because SC, ST and other backward classes get get like they have to pay less fees as compared to general category. Uh, so let us keeping this aside, let us focus what the Supreme Court consists of. So Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice J.B. Padiwala and the Justice Manoj Mishra directed that petition should be granted admission in the IIT Dhanbad, the seat which was allotted to him. So now he has gotten the admission in the IIT Dhanbad. So the petition in the case is the son of the daily wage labor. So it was a case of the daily wage labor in the Uttar Pradesh whose family is below the poverty line. So the family had collected his fees of rupees 17,500 from their villagers on June 24 by 4:45 p.m. but could not make the online payment before the deadline of the. So only 15 minutes were left for the payment and they were unable to make the online payment. Might be they doesn't have the mobile phone, or even they have not connected their bank online. So might be there was no the accessibility of debit card. So by the reason he was unable to pay the his fees by 5 p.m. So that was why the IIT denied it the admission. But after the Supreme Court judgment, the Dalit student has gotten his admission at IIT Dhanbad. The family had collected the admission fee for of this that we have read, while the counsel for the IIT opposed the likely that the student has logged in the So IIT Dhanbad has saying that the student had login around 3 p.m. and has ample number of time to make the payment. So on the IIT Dhanbad, this statement, the Supreme Court directly says that you should do not scold, or you should not put the blame on the student. You should do something that will help the student. That is why you are IITs. So after this, so we are affirmative of the view that a talented student like the petitioner should not be left in the lurch, and the power of the court under the Article 142 of the Constitution to do complete justice is to address such situation. So now now the Dalit student has got the admission, so there is nothing to be worried. So this video requires some support from you. Just you have to press 3 buttons. First is the subscribe button, so that we will be making the regular updating video for you. The second is the like button, that will be boosting this video so that it can reach to the large audience. The third button is the share button. By just sharing this video to your Instagram or even WhatsApp groups or status, you can also put on the status, so that the Dalit student might be there are other students that are same like this, but they are not highlighted. So those can DM me or can connect us on our different social media handles like Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Discord, or any other Telegram channel. So all the link are given in the description. You can go and connect us. So if you go to our YouTube channel and go to the playlist section, that will be helping you. So for that, make sure you have subscribed our channel for getting regular update in the tech world. So I hope I have cleared all your doubt regarding the Dalit student cancellation of the seat at IIT Dhanbad. And if you require some review on different IITs campus or NITs campus or even private campus like Lovely or VITs, then we will be making a uh, live campus review. By just you have to type that you require this specific video on this specific college, then we will be making, like, let a student A says that he require a college review of NIT Delhi or IIT Delhi, then we will be going there and taking their permission, then we will be recording the video for you. So for that, just you have to comment us. So if you have any doubt, let us know in the comment box. So this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a good day.